Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie and we are getting laundry done today. So if you guys have got laundry you need to get done, throw it in the washer and let's just get our laundry washed together, because laundry is not one of my favorite things to do, and it is something I do tend to put on the back burner to the very last possible minute. I literally just washed like a couple of my husband's uniforms the other day just to get him through like Thursday and Friday, and because I just wasn't feeling it. And I don't know if you guys are the same, but laundry is my least favorite. Like, I don't mind putting it in the washer and putting it in the dryer, and towels, I don't mind folding towels because like I just fold right through that and it's quickly. But the rest of the stuff, oh my goodness, we will live out of a basket. So, and my husband was getting a little mad because some of his uniforms have just been sitting in a basket. So sometimes I like to do these laundry videos because it really helps me stay focused and motivated, and I can get all the laundry washed up and get it all folded up and put away. And I had been using Gain for the longest time, but my husband said the clothes weren't smelling clean, and they really weren't. So I switched laundry soap. I went to Persil laundry soap and the Downy fabric softener and scent beads and the dryer sheets, and our clothes have been smelling so good. But
would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up.
So as I'm getting the laundry done, I was pretty sure this dryer was going to go out completely, and I was sort of hoping it would so I can get a new washer and dryer. The washer that matches the dryer went out a few years ago. I think my brother-in-law broke it because he was the last one to use it, and then like it didn't work, but it was whatever. I wanted a new washer anyways because I had had it forever. So I thought I was going to get a new dryer to match that washer. I was wrong. My husband said when the dryer goes out, he'll buy a new washer. So I was hoping it was going to go out completely because it is starting to slowly. It's taking a long time to dry clothes. I'm having to do smaller loads because if I don't, the clothes don't come, they don't dry. Especially my husband's uniforms. Well, his pants, because they're so heavy because they're FRs, they take forever to dry. Like, I have to literally put three to four pairs of jeans in there if I want them to dry. If not, it's crazy. But yeah, I was really hoping it would go out so I can get a new washer and dryer because he told me when it went out, he'd buy a new one. So I've been waiting, and that damn thing is still working. So hopefully it'll go out soon so I can get a new dryer. But I'm just going to get all these folded up, and I'm going to probably just play a lot of music and do a lot less talking. Because honestly, it is 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm trying to be awake and get this done. I have actually been so busy and filming so many videos because I've had a lot going on. I've had things I've had to do, so I just went ahead and filmed. And one of them is already actually filmed. Later today I'm gonna film the other, and but just got a lot going on and a lot planned.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so you're looking so now I'm moving closer to you.
So not a real long laundry video, but I hope it gave you guys some kind of motivation to tackle your laundry if you guys are anything like me and have piles of it because you just keep putting it off. Hope you enjoyed today's video, but I have so much coming up. I have one of the videos actually already filmed. I just got to get it edited. That will be next week's video. If you guys are interested in learning how to can and all that good stuff, I was making some homemade pepper jelly and I was also canning pickles. I had got so many cucumbers in the garden the last few days. So I was getting those pickled up, and I've got enough pickles to last me throughout the year, the winter until next summer. But I still, like yesterday, I was out there in the garden and I pulled like tons more cucumbers. So I'll be getting all those pickled up too. But just had a lot coming up. And then, so if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, please subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoy it, because this is just some of the things I enjoy doing is canning and gardening. So I've got all that. And then also another video that I've got planned coming up here real soon is getting some stuff done in the garden. Me and my daughter are repainting our chicken coop. So I've got so much coming up, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope y'all have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.